doing iPad Pro unboxing. Okay, this is the iPad Pro. And then we have the iPad Pro Smart Keyboard cord. I can't read the other words, so I'll just not read that. And then we have the pencil, the Apple Pencil. Okay, so first we are gonna go from the smallest to the biggest. So first we have this. Okay, unboxing this. It's very satisfying. No, it's just, well, my mother told me that I should unbox it in front of you people only because it's satisfying for you. I don't know why. What makes this satisfying for you? I hate when people unbox stuff mainly because it takes forever and it's just really annoying. But I mean, I'll do whatever my mother says. Okay, there, we are unboxing it. It's very cool packaging. There it is, the beauty of the pencil. This is mainly for me to draw, like for videos and stuff, and also so I can just like create random art because I want to. I'm gonna package this back up. Oh, and there's this. Don't exactly know what that. Oh, it's just like, yeah, but just instructions. We're gonna put this back in there, back in the packaging. There. Oh, I forgot how to put packaging back into the pay. Okay, this back in there. Now, we're gonna go to this. Wait, oh, there. Okay, try to open it up. Okay, I can't get any of these boxes open like this. I have to kind of shake it, that I don't want it to drop. Yes, that's me when I'm very tense and like, oh, there, this is such a beauty. Look at this. It's like a case, but it's like oh, look at it. It's like a computer case. This reminds me, it smells like that dentist smell. Like when you come out of the dentist, that's what this smells like. It smells exactly like dentist. Here, smell it. Pretend that you're smelling it. Smells exactly like dentist. I'm not even kidding. Okay, there. Oh, that's actually really functional. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna see if I can like use the home rows on this really quick. See, so put your fingers right over there and you're like, okay, A, Y, D, E, N. I can type really fast. It's just right now like I'm not doing it because I don't have to. I talk too fast and I type too fast. Okay, deal with it. Okay, now we're going to open up the big, amazing finale that also has a pull strip. So conventional. It's iPad Pro. It's pretty cool. I like this packaging. I like the packaging for like the new like iPad and an iPhone because they're pretty cool. Like they're shiny, they're glimmery, they're glistening. And my mother's making me do this video. I can't. Well, actually, no. I kind of want to do this video. Like she made the idea, but like I think it's fun. Okay. Okay, now we have to get iPad out. iPad, will you work? Will you work with me? No, there's no tape on this side, thank goodness. Because whenever there's tape on a packaging, it triggers me so much. Because you don't see the tape. And then when you finally notice the tape, you've been halfway into packaging it. And you've almost ruined the whole packaging, okay. Oh, the beautiful. Oh, there, that's a screen. Yes, that is a screen. And there's this, we're gonna, oh, that's very cool. It's actually really easy to unbox. I feel like they should make these harder to unbox. Trying to not touch the screen so hard. Just touch this there. Here. This is so beautiful. Can't turn it on right now. I bet if I did, it would just be like, I don't know how this works. So right now we're pairing the Apple Pencil so I can use it to draw. Yep, we're connecting. Okay, so right now I'm trying to draw Garnet from Steven Universe, because So turn it.
Tap it. Nope. Tap it on the flat side. Tap the pencil with your finger on the flat side twice. No, the flat side. No, the flat side. No, like you're drawing. No, flip it. Flip it. Like you're regular, like you're using it normal. Okay, see that flat side of the pencil?
Yeah, this.
Yeah, tap it twice. Tap it twice again. Tap it again twice. Like near the bottom. Oh my god, let me see. Look, I'll show you.
There, I just did it.
It's like this.
I just did it. Okay. Can't do it again because I'm terrible at this. So I'm gonna draw, no.
I can't see that.
I drew something really good in art class. I'm gonna draw it again. Wait, no, this is an art class. I mean, it should have been art class because I'm really good at drawing turtles. This is a turtle. Yes, this is a turtle. This is a turtle. This is a turtle. I'm pretty sure I have to write it for, like, you guys to know. Turtle. Can't write that far. Okay. Turtle. Just as a recap, how I rate everything. A 10 cheeseburgers, a 0 cheeseburgers to 10 cheeseburgers. I rate it,
What do you rate the Apple Pencil?
I rate it 10 turtles.
The Apple Pencil, 10 turtles.
Wait, no, yeah, this is amazing. So that is like a million. Even though I would think it's better because you have to tap it to erase, I feel like it'd be better if you could just turn it around and erase. That's the problem. Because, like, you know, if you're a writer, like if you're drawing, like if you're like drawing, like you're used to turning it around, but I mean they don't do that. So actually, I would rate it to 8 out of 10. Okay, then this, I would rate this 9 out of 10 because I feel like if I was looking at this, I expect it to be like a case. Like they could at least be a little bit more sturdy.
Basically, it's not for kids. He needs. What do you need? You need one of those huge. What are they called? The otter boxes. That's what he needs. You should see his regular.
Well, wait, but what I'm trying to say, like it's just a magnet. Like if it fell, like the iPad could pop off.
True. So adults only. Okay.
Well, even if it's just adults, it still could pop off. The iPad device, I haven't really used it so far, but so far what I would have done, it's a 10. Wait, it's a mystery out of 10 because I've not really used it that much. So.
All right.
Stronger than you. What is happening?